building a brand and marketing in online just got a lot easier because one of the biggest advertising platforms in the world prioritized marketing intelligence. Indian businesses can now market their products with AI-powered tools provided by YouTube. But before we actually get into what the tools were, what was introduced, I would please request you to like, share, and subscribe. Honestly motivates us. Thank you so much. Now, on the 9th of July, at the Google Marketing Live 2026 held in India, the video streaming platform shared that it would be introducing a host of Gemini-powered marketing tools. Now, among them is YouTube Brand Stack, a platform built for and in India that will centralize campaign planning, buying, and measurement. Roma Datta Chobe, Managing Director, Connected Consumer Commerce, Google India, said this, and I quote, "By combining smart AI insights with granular targeting across urban and rural India, Brand Stack delivers both high frequency and direct business impact," end quote. So basically, it was first deployed by Axis Max Life Insurance during the busy cricket season, driving an 18.4% surge in brand searches and capturing 23% quality leads. Now, while Brand Stack is the homegrown tool, Google also rolled out others that would build on its foundation. Google has introduced YouTube Affiliate Partnerships Boost, allowing brands to directly amplify creators that are already marketing their products. It is part of an expansion of YouTube shopping, which has steadily been gaining traction in India. Now, while business agents for leads, which will be introduced in the beta form, will bring AI more directly into ads on the search results page. Now, through this tool, brands can connect a chatbot directly to the ad, allowing them to connect with consumers at any time. Now, another tool called Ask Advisor will serve as an agentic collaborator sharing recommendations by collating data from Google Ads, Google Analytics, Google Marketing Platform, and soon Merchant Center. Now, these are tools that will set the strategy for the brands. Now, with AI supporting the brands in collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data for future solutions. Sounds quite exciting, to be honest. However, AI Max Suite, AI Brief, which is, by the way, in beta right now, and Asset Studio will directly support brands by delivering tailored creatives. Now, the two former tools involve using customer loyalty to make assets and provide a new way for advertisers to use their own words to guide AI Max for search campaigns, while the latter will help create high-quality onboard assets across text, images, and video at the same time. And here, of course, is the front page take. Brands can already do much on their own. After all, it's actually their vision, to be honest, yes. And all these tools give them only a boost to expand the capabilities of their own in-house marketing team. But actually, what happens to those who actively provide these services to brands? Will marketing see an even bigger shift in the future? One where people are almost witness and supervisor to the agent that recommends branding strategies? Or will the unpredictability of the human psychology help marketing companies keep their ground in the industry? Wow, that's quite an interesting thought. What are your thoughts? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.